Okay, today we're going to do some throwing, and before you get started with your throwing, you need to gather a few things together. First of all, you probably want to put on an apron because you can get pretty messy doing this. Secondly, you want to get a bucket, and you want to fill it with water. It doesn't matter what kind of bucket this is. You want to get a couple of sponges. It's important to have more than one in there because you might drop one or one might get really dirty, and you want to throw it in there without having to clean it before you move on. You also want to have a variety of tools. You want to have some ribs. These are hard items that you use to compress the wall of the clay. They work a lot better than your hand alone. You can get the clay a lot thinner and a lot smoother using these kind of tools. You might probably want to have some flat ones and a curved one as well. This can help doing bowls and forms that curve out as well. You really need to have a needle tool. This helps you determine the depth of the bottom of your pot. When you first start throwing, it's very important to learn how thick the bottom needs to be because you might cut it off and then you cut a hole straight through your pot.